Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 7373, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. The meaning of angel number 7373, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 7373 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 7373 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 7373 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. What's the meaning of angel number 7373? Angel number 7373 represents spiritual insight, creative expression, and self-mastery. The repeating sevens emphasize deep inner wisdom and introspection, while the threes symbolize joy, growth, and communication. Together, they convey a message that your spiritual journey and creative purpose are interconnected. The angels are encouraging you to trust your intuition while sharing your gifts with the world. It's a sign that you're aligning with your higher path and being supported in both thought and action. This number often appears when you're being nudged to embrace your authenticity and use your voice or talents in a meaningful, inspired way. What's the symbolism of angel number 7373? The symbolism of 7373 lies in the powerful blend of intuition, 7, and expression, 3. The 7 stands for spiritual awakening, inner knowing, and solitude, while 3 is associated with creativity, joy, and social interaction. Repeating these numbers indicates a balance between quiet introspection and outward expression. The number 7373 symbolizes a person learning to trust their spiritual insights while confidently sharing their truth. It reflects the importance of listening to divine guidance and allowing that wisdom to guide your creative, emotional, and social actions. It also highlights synchronicity and divine timing playing an active role in your journey. What is the angel number 7373 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 7373 signals a time of awakening and divine alignment. The presence of 7 points to heightened intuition, spiritual learning, and connection to higher consciousness. The number 3 adds enthusiasm, expansion, and spiritual communication, often indicating that ascended masters are nearby, supporting your growth. When combined, 7373 encourages you to deepen your spiritual practice while embracing your individuality. This number appears when you are ready to take your spiritual path more seriously and express it creatively. You are being guided to trust your inner wisdom and to share your light and messages in a way that uplifts others. What does the angel number 7373 mean for love? In love, angel number 7373 emphasizes emotional honesty, spiritual compatibility, and clear communication. The number 7 suggests a deep, introspective connection, while 3 brings openness, joy, and expression. Together, they signal a relationship that requires both depth and lightness. If you're single, 7373 encourages you to seek a partner who shares your spiritual values and allows space for authentic self-expression. If in a relationship, it may be a prompt to connect more deeply on a soul level while also enjoying the playful, expressive side of love. This number reminds you to maintain a balance between intimacy, independence, and shared joy. What does angel number 7373 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 7373 suggests spiritual growth and open communication are key to progressing your journey. The dual presence of 7 points to soul searching and divine timing, while the 3s highlight the importance of clear, heartfelt dialogue. Whether in union or separation, this number indicates that you and your twin are learning essential life lessons that will eventually bring harmony and alignment. It signals that your connection is divinely supported but requires emotional maturity and self-awareness. 7373 encourages both partners to embrace their spiritual missions individually while remaining open to reunion when the time is right. What does angel number 7373 for manifestation? Angel number 7373 supports manifestation through inspired thought and confident expression. The sevens guide you to tune into your intuition and divine inspiration, while the threes provide energy for creativity and effective communication. When this number appears, it's a signal that your thoughts and inner visions are powerful tools in shaping your reality. You're being asked to stay aligned with your spiritual truth and to speak, write, or act on your desires with trust and enthusiasm. Manifestation will come more easily when you combine faith in your inner guidance with positive, expressive energy and joyful belief in what's possible. How does angel number 7373 affect finances? Financially, angel number 7373 encourages a blend of spiritual awareness and creative strategy. The number 7 advises careful planning, introspection, and trust in divine timing, while the 3 promotes innovation, collaboration, and confidence. You may be guided to use your talents, especially in communication, teaching, or the arts, to create abundance. This number supports turning your passions into income when aligned with your life purpose. It's a reminder that your financial journey should reflect your values and creativity. Trust your instincts, stay open to learning, and use your gifts wisely. Your financial growth is closely tied to your personal authenticity and vision. What does angel number 7373 mean for former relationships? Angel number 7373 brings a message of healing and self-reflection when it comes to past relationship. The 7 energy asks you to reflect on lessons learned and understand how those experiences shaped your growth. The 3 energy encourages you to release emotional baggage through honest expression and perhaps even creative outlet. This number suggests that letting go of past hurts will open new doors to personal joy and emotional freedom. It's time to view former relationships not as failures but as steps in your spiritual and emotional evolution. Forgiveness, self-understanding, and closure are essential themes when 7373 appears. How does angel number 7373 guide your work life? Angel number 7373 influences your career by promoting intuitive decision-making and creative expression. The number 7 supports inner guidance and deep learning, while the 3 highlights communication, collaboration, and innovation. You're encouraged to seek work that aligns with your spiritual beliefs and allows you to express your talent. This number often appears when you're being nudged to start a purpose-driven business, lead through inspiration, or share your knowledge. You may feel drawn to roles in teaching, writing, healing, or artistic field. 7373 advises trusting your ideas, thinking outside the box, and being authentic in your professional environment. What are the strengths of angel number 7373? The strengths of angel number 7373 lie in its ability to unite spiritual insight with joyful self-expression. Individuals connected to this number are intuitive, thoughtful, and creatively gifted. They have a strong sense of purpose and often feel called to inspire or uplift others through their talent. This number brings a powerful blend of inner wisdom and outer communication, allowing for effective teaching, healing, and leadership. It encourages authenticity, emotional intelligence, and optimism. People aligned with 7373 are resilient, spiritually aware, and capable of seeing deeper truths, which enables them to make a meaningful impact in both personal and public realms. What are the weaknesses of angel number 7373? The weaknesses of angel number 7373 stem from potential imbalances between introspection and expression. While the 7 fosters deep thinking, it can also lead to isolation, overanalyzing, or spiritual detachment. Meanwhile, the 3's expressive energy, if unchecked, may result in impulsivity, superficiality, or a desire for external validation. People influenced by 7373 may struggle with confidence, fearing judgment when expressing their inner truth. They may also ignore practical matters in favor of abstract thinking. This number warns against being overly idealistic or scattered and encourages grounding, discipline, and finding harmony between inner insight and outward communication.